Friends, welcome once again to Speakwell's Conversation CD. I, Sahil Vaid, will take you through one more situation of English conversation. मैं और आप स्पोकन इंग्लिश की कमजोरी को ओवरकम करने के प्रयास में इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशन के एक और टॉपिक को सीखेंगे और अपनी इंग्लिश की पकड़ और मजबूत बनाएंगे। आज का विषय है एडवाइजिंग, यानी कि उपदेश देना या लेना। We will see a few scenarios which depict how advice is solicited and given. जिंदगी में हम अपने निजी और प्रोफेशनल कामों में दूसरों से सलाह मशवरा लेते हैं और अपनी जिंदगी के फैसले लेते हैं। आइए देखते हैं इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे किया जाता है। I am sure all of you who are watching this CD would be using these sample conversations to practice and overcome your English language problem. इंग्लिश की आपकी कमजोरी इस तरह से कॉन्वर्सेशंस की प्रैक्टिस करके अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को बढ़ाकर अपनी जिंदगी में इस्तेमाल करके ही दूर हो सकती है। याद रखिए, आप पहले इंसान नहीं हैं जिसको यह कमजोरी है, ना ही आप पहले इंसान हो जिसने इंग्लिश बोलना सीखकर इंग्लिश की कमजोरी को दूर किया है। Speakwell Books and CD has been used by several thousands. In fact, lakhs of people have used it and have benefited from it. So buck up, don't feel shy, and go for it. Best of luck, friends, on your goal to speak good English.
I think you should go for this purple shirt.
Are you sure? I like this orange one better.
Yes, because the purple will set a good tone against your skin and will look special without looking flashy. Why don't you wear formals at the party?
I don't have any. I normally wear casuals and semi-formals. I am tired of them. I want to wear something new.
In that case, why don't you buy one for yourself? You will need it for professional meetings anyway.
That's a good idea. Thanks for the advice.
You are welcome.
Hey, we have a holiday tomorrow.
Yeah, that's great news. After all, we're getting a holiday after such a long time.
Yeah, exactly. We've been busy for a while with this project work and all, and we didn't even get time to de-stress ourselves.
Hey, let's plan something for tomorrow. It's a holiday and everybody is going to be free.
Yeah, let's plan out for a get-together, and then we could just, arrange for some good music, food, and games.
Why not invite everybody at my place? We'll organize a get-together in the lawn of my bungalow.
Hey, that sounds great.
Fine then, let's invite everybody for the event. Huh?
I have to go for an interview tomorrow, but I don't know how to reach there. I have never been to that place before.
Where do you have to go?
I have to go to MG Road.
That's not a problem. I'll tell you how to go there.
I want to go to Shastri Nagar. Should I take a rickshaw?
Rickshaw will take more time. Moreover, you never know about the traffic. Why don't you travel by local train? It will be faster.
Okay, I will take a train in that case.
Good. Once when you reach Shastri Nagar, take bus number 348. The last stop of the bus is at MG Road. You can easily locate the address once you reach there.
Thank you very much for making the suggestion to go by train. I would get late if I am caught in the traffic.
I'm planning to buy a computer for my home.
Congratulations.
But I'm not sure which one to buy. I'm confused between a desktop and a laptop.
I believe you're a trainer. You have to keep on traveling to different locations to conduct your training.
That is correct. I have to travel across the whole country as I conduct my trainings in almost all the cities of India.
Exactly, that is what I wanted to say. At the same time, I'm sure you will design and develop training material on your laptop.
That's why I want to buy it.
Then why don't you buy a laptop? It'll be easy to carry on to places where you'll be conducting the training.
Makes more sense now.
Exactly. It'll be better utilized if you carry it with yourself.
Thank you very much for your suggestion. It has helped me make a decision.
You're welcome.
Our company is planning an outstation picnic. Where do you think we should go?
That's good news. You guys will have fun. Have you guys been to Lonavala?
No, we have not been there, but I'm sure others might have.
That's not a problem because it is the group and not the place that makes the difference.
Yes, that makes sense. I will suggest them to go to Lonavala.
There are several beautiful places in and around Lonavala. I'm sure all of you will have great fun. I want to learn to speak in English. I have started reading newspapers and watching English news channels.
That's great, but that alone will not help.
Then what else should I do?
You should join an English speaking institute where you will get the environment to speak in English.
Good idea. I will find out an institute and enroll myself for the spoken English course.
Great. Why don't you join Speakwell? They have the best training material, good faculty, and they are very good in training anyone to learn to speak in English.